Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best airless paint sprayers in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best airless paint sprayers. The 5th product on our list is Titan ControlMax 1700 Sprayer. The Titan ControlMax 1700 is an HEA paint sprayer, which means it produces less of the overspray that can be an issue when you're getting comfortable with paint sprayers. The manufacturer claims the reduction in overspray is up to 55%, making this sprayer a great pick for beginners trying to master the techniques for a flawless finish. A lower 1,500 psi ensures it is easier to control the paint swaths while lessening the chance of making messes. We also like this model for painting details like intricate trim and shutter louvers. You'll still need to tape off for clean edges. The lower PSI should also make the Titan ControlMax 1700 a good airless sprayer for applying stains and sealants. We like the idea of its all-metal gun for added durability, and the inclusion of a 30-foot hose. While this model isn't the best choice for high-speed application, it's a solid option for any user who wants professional painting results from an airless sprayer. Up next in 4th place is the Wagner Control Pro 170 Airless Sprayer. You can certainly spray paint with the Wagner Control Pro 170 sprayer, but with a maximum operating pressure of 1,500 psi, it's also well suited to spraying wood stain, solid stain, and semi-transparent stain. We're used to seeing lower operating pressures associated with softer spray patterns, which is ideal for applying stains that typically penetrate the surface of the wood, rather than sit on top. The lower PSI should also reduce the risk of overspray, and make the Wagner Control Pro 170 easier to use when applying stain uniformly for even absorption. This sprayer includes a 30-foot hose and a 515 tip. If you plan on using this model exclusively for spraying stain, plan to invest in Wagner's HEA 311 tip, which is better suited to spraying stain. The 3rd product on our list is the Wagner Control Pro 190 Sprayer. The Wagner Control Pro 190 Airless Paint Sprayer was impressive in our testing. With a higher 0.4 GPM and a lower 1,600 psi, it provided a uniform spray without the overspray associated with higher pressure machines. We were able to make clean paint swaths without getting excess paint on surrounding surfaces. This model includes a 50-foot hose that's just right for reaching all the areas of most residential paint projects, along with a 515 latex tip. We got a slightly better finish from thinned latex, which suggests the sprayer will also easily handle stains when paired with the HEA 311 tip, sold separately. The sprayer is not designed for projects that require high-speed coverage. However, it is well suited for DIY projects that demand detailed paint application, such as painting doors and cabinets or applying stain and sealers. The 2nd product on our list is the Graco Magnum ProX19. The Graco Magnum ProX19 airless sprayer is everything a professional painter or enthusiastic DIYer needs to paint large projects quickly. It includes an upgraded SG3 spray paint gun that features a swivel hose connector for better maneuverability. When we compared it to the spray guns included with the other models, the SG3 was clearly of higher quality. This paint sprayer machine self-primed within seconds of turning on and delivered a fine uniform spray from our first test forward. The Magnum ProX19 comes with a 50-foot hose, but its pump will accommodate a hose up to 150 feet. The longer hose capability means users can tackle larger projects without frequently moving the electric paint sprayer and the paint bucket. The Graco Magnum ProX19 sprayer includes a standard 515 spray tip that is designed for latex paint, and it easily handles unthinned paint. The one downside of this sprayer is that it only works with up to a 0.019 spray tip. That is not uncommon, but in a pro-quality machine, we'd like to be able to spray elastomeric coatings, which requires a 0.025 tip. Still, this sprayer will easily handle most types of latex paint, primer, and stain, and provide a flawless finish. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Graco Magnum X5. Graco dominates the paint sprayer industry with pro models that run well over $1,000, so we wanted to know if the DIY-friendly Graco Magnum X5 sprayer would give us a professional finish. This model did a fantastic job providing us with a flawless painted surface. The Graco Magnum X5 is not a commercial machine. It includes a 25-foot hose and generates enough pump pressure to use a 75-foot hose, not included, but is not designed for use on large commercial projects. For that purpose, you'd want a more powerful sprayer. Like the Graco Magnum ProX19, we feature the list as best for pros. This airless sprayer is an excellent option for most homeowner and DIY projects, including interior and exterior walls, siding, furniture, cabinets, and more. It comes almost completely assembled. We only had to connect the intake hose and the paint hose. The spray tip was already in the gun, and all the knobs and the stand were connected. On startup, the Graco Magnum X5 automatically primed its pump within seconds, and then we got started. All it took was a slight turn of the pressure dial to achieve a fine paint spray that didn't leave overlap marks. After testing this sprayer on several boards, plywood, and drywall, we used it to paint a client's bifold doors, and the finish looked every bit as good as we've achieved in the past with professional paint sprayers. Make no mistake, you'll need patience and practice to perfect the correct technique, but once you master it, you'll get professional results from this spray paint machine. That's all for our list of the 5 best airless paint sprayers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.